Today we're going to do the quick install of the drop-in bed by Scale by Chris. It goes in the Axial Wraith 1.9. Add a little bit of weight and detail to the back end here. So let's go ahead and open this up and knock this out. All right, it comes with a sticker, and then here is the 3D printed drop-in bed. Doesn't come with any mounting hardware, so we'll take the cage off and then see how this is going to install. I don't know if it just lays in there or we have to use some screws. Let's get it apart and check it out. All right, now we have the cage opened up. Let's see how this is going to go in here. All right, so you have your 3 holes here and 3 holes here. And you can see on the Wraith right here, 3 holes and 3 holes. So it looks like we're going to add some screws to put it in there. Let's see how this drops in. Might have to take more of the cage apart. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Need to unloosen these, open up the rear end a little bit more. There we go, and it's in. So yeah, just loosen these screws, just spread the body out a little bit, the cage. Squeeze it down in there and it slides right in. And then you can see these holes here. Just add a couple screws in on each side to secure it. And that should be it. And I'm just using M3 16 screws to secure this in. Now we'll get the roll cage tightened back up. Alright guys, after just a few minutes, we got it in. Looks a whole lot better back there. Fills in all the emptiness, just the bare cage. adds a little bit of weight. Seems like it's made of pretty good quality. It's nice thick plastic. I think they sell this in 3 different versions, just the plain black empty bed, and then this might be the second option, and then the third option you get a bunch of accessories in here. But I kind of wanted to do my own thing back here, so I left that empty. I think it really finishes out the Wraith, and then you could even paint this and make it your own. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick video. And one more thing, I did cut the top off, just because I felt like that covered it up too much. So I removed that to expose that. Just kind of opens it up, see more of the cage and the scale accessories. Leave a like if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.